Hello. This video is for just kind of explaining how I use volume to help me decide whether I should be in or out. It's certainly not the only thing I would use for trading, but it does help quite a bit. And I'm going to show you my methodology for just using volume in and of itself. This isn't about any other indicators really. Okay. So what I have right here is Bitcoin USD on the 1 day for Bitstamp. And I just chose an arbitrary spot to do replay because I want to just do this live, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do with a naked chart, right? And you could have other indicators on there also, but the first thing I'm going to do with this naked chart is I'm going to add in the volume because, that's what we're using here. That's what this video is about. All right, so starting right here, on this day, we don't care about the rest of it. We're going to go moving forward. I'm just going to take this in and I'm going to look at what's going on this candle. And notice that we have a stair step up from the previous candle. And with a stair step up, it gives you, that's the signal, hey, we need an arrow here. So this is a red candle with a stair step up, so the red is down, right? So I'm pushing down. Sell pressure is coming in and pushing down. Now if you go back one, you can see that also stair stepped up, albeit just a little bit. It stair stepped up just a little bit, so you could put an arrow there also. So visually, if you take away the volume indicator and you look at just the naked chart, you can say, hey, there's some sell pressure here. And you don't have to look at this down here. Now, I like to look at the chart more than I like to look at other things. But this just helps me say, hey, there's pressure, sell pressure coming in right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is bring back volume. I'm going to press play on the replay button. And we'll just see what the next candle brings us. It should come in here soon. It's just every 5 seconds. Boom. Okay. Pause. Okay. So we got another stair step up and volume is coming down. So we're going to put in another one. Okay. So you shouldn't, in my opinion, you probably should have been out of here, right? At some point, but we're going to just say, hey, we should have done that anyway. It should have just been, and immediately when we started this, we should have just held cash. Okay, so we're holding cash and it sells off. Boom. Okay, next one. We're going to wait and see what the next one brings us. And it looks like it's a little bit of an up day. All right, cool. Okay, but it's not enough, there is no stair step up. In fact, there was a stair step down. And when you have a stair step down, you don't do anything. That means the trend is continuing. So, and it doesn't matter what the color is either. So you just press play and we're going to move on to see what the next candle looks like. Another down day. So yes, we are getting continuation, and look at this, a stair step up. So because it's a stair step up, you place that. Now visually on your chart, you can see this pattern. This is a trend. The trend is going down. We're going to press play. We're looking for either a stair step up or down or whatever. Boom, another down day. Okay, that's great. So it's stair step down, so we don't have to put anything here. There's nothing to put there. So we just wait. The trend is continuing. Let's press play here. See what it does. All right, sideways. That's acceptable. We're waiting. We got a stair step down. Boom. Okay, stop. All right, now I'm going to get my arrow, and in this case, I'm going to use arrow up because of the stair step up. Okay, so there's a stair step up. So we have pressure now coming in that wants to go higher. All right, now if you're a candlestick trader, you might have looked at this in hindsight. You could look back at this and say, oh, well, the bulls really came in and pushed out higher, and then we had sideways. So it could do anything, either up or down, but it could have been the end of the trend. Who knows? But we'll see. Let's just keep playing along. We're going to do a few more of these. And here it comes. Boom, big up, looking sharp. Okay, so we saw that was probably a bottom of the trend. In hindsight, when we got our first bump up, that would have been a good entry right there. We got a second bump up, which looks pretty good, and we probably could have done well there. Let's pull this out right there. Boom, boom. Okay, that's all we're doing. We're just adding those in. All right, now we just hit something kind of extraordinary, and I'm going to just move that over a little bit, and I'm going to pull out my Fibonacci tool, and what I'm going to see is if this candle here is twice as big as the one in front of it. So I pull that down, and it is. It's more than twice as big. If it's twice as big or bigger, we have to do something to mark that, and I would say we'll put an exclamation mark right there. Okay, so exclamation mark. Now the exclamation mark could be red or green, just depending on how you feel about which direction it's moving in, and it could be at the top or the bottom depending on where you believe it's going. So this could mean that we're going to get a big boost to the upside. Okay, so let's just stay in it and press play and see where it goes. I don't really think of that as a sell signal, but who knows? Whoa, what? That is beautiful. Okay, so we're just going to stay in it. Oh, what the heck? This should have been, I didn't do something. I'm so sorry. All right. Fail. Let's line these up. Giving you a tutorial and I'm screwing it up. Okay, so because it was a stair step up, we like that. It's something we want to do. We're going to get in. Okay, so it's looking good. It's running up. Press play. Let's see where the next one takes us. Don't have a real top here yet, but there you go. Nice little stair step up. This looks like a topping pattern, like it could be a Fu Manchu, but no, we're getting more up, more lift. We'll see. What's the next one? Boom. Okay. Now here is something. Okay, we did get pushed down right there as a stair step up. Okay, we could just do push down like that. Let's go back and fill these in too. This was a stair step up. We could fill that in. Stair step up. Good. Fill that in. Stair step down, you don't do anything. It's more continuation or sideways. And then now you have a trend reversal. So you would say, oh, okay, that's sucky. Let's just go like that. That's what we should do. And we'll just see what it does, right? I mean, it could do nothing or whatever. We'll see what happens. It doesn't really matter. Boom. Awesome. Okay. It's kind of a weird candle, but it's a stair step down. Now we got a stair step down again. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now this comes in like this. Okay, and that's a one. Now, here's the thing. You see, we would get out probably on the close. And this one wants to go higher. So just get back in. It's okay. So you get back in on that one, and we'll see where it takes us. Boom. All right, it's taking us higher. Stair step up, that's a mark right there. Stair step down, you don't do anything. Probably more continuation. Another stair step down. Okay, wait. Stair step up. Okay, so we're getting up pressure. Stair step down, don't do anything. We're still in it. See what happens. Stair step down. Oh, wait, timeout. Pause. Okay, so this one is a stair step down. This is the first stair step down that we've had since we entered over here where we got our first stair step up. And I would say it's possible that this could result in a downtrend. We'll see. How about we just put in a sell right here because of our stair step up on the downtrend. And we'll see what happens. I mean, if we get out and then it pushes higher, I mean, it's okay. You can just get back in. But the overall, it does pretty good at helping you decide what to do. So I'm glad we did get out. That's great. Okay, timeout. Okay, so this one here came in hard, right? It was just boom, boom, twice as high, according to my, there you go. It's over twice as big as the previous candle here. So that would get an exclamation, and it could very well be a top. Now I'm going to do that red. That could be a top right there. Because it's a stair step down, we're going to go like this. And the next one came in as a stair step down, like that. A lot of sell pressure here with the exclamation mark. Keep note, this could be either up or down as a pivot point. But I think in hindsight, we'll look back and that might just be the sell-off that we're looking for. Let's just keep going. Boom, more downtrend. Stair step down, don't do anything. Stair step down, don't do anything. The trend continues. Stair step up, okay, or yeah, it's a stair step up, but the trend is down, so it's reinforcing the downtrend, really. Let's just keep going. It's not twice as big as the one before, so we don't have to worry about it. Stair step down. Okay, so we're going to keep going. Press play. There we go. Remember, we got out up here just based on volume trading. Stair step up, but it's not, it's a stair step down. It's a change in color, but not a change in stair step. I'm sorry. So you can see this stair step down into that, which is fine. You don't put anything there. This stair stepped up, so we're just going to put that here. Good. Okay, press play. Now, this is trading just based on volume. I mean, this is not using any other indicators. Okay, we had another stair step up. So visually, when you look at the chart, you go, oh man, look at all that downward pressure. We don't have a single day with a stair step up, so it's really pushing hard and it's trending down. This is wonderful. Okay, keep going. Next one is a down day with a stair step down or a stair step up. So we need to make a mark. Okay, because it stair stepped up. We put a mark there. Boom. Let's keep going. This is fun game, man. Like, right? There's money on the line. Timeout. Timeout. Okay, we can leave that candle there. Okay, so we got out on the close because I usually do 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock trades around the close, and it's $8,211. So if we exited that trade and followed just trading with volume using this method, you would be down on this close here on as a timeout. It'd be $6,287, right? That's quite a bit of difference. So, yeah, $8,000. That's a $2,000 gain in Bitcoin just on one trade, right? All right, what do we have here? We got a stair step down, so we don't do anything. The trend may or may not continue. We will see. Let's keep going. Stair step up, timeout. Let's make a mark. There we go. Okay, keep going. Stair step down, don't do anything. Trend continuing or sideways. Timeout. We got a stair step up in another direction. Okay. So you got to ask yourself, do I want to get in this or not? Right? At this point, you can get in it. Possibly. Let's just get in it. Let's don't think too much about it. Let's just say, hey, we're going to let this thing do what it do. We'll see. It might go against us. We never know. Nobody knows in any of these trades. Okay, timeout. It stair stepped up, but now we just got a stair step down. That's not a big loss, right? So let's just get out of it and see what happens next. Pressing play. This will not work every time, but it will help. It will help in your trading. Timeout, 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 timeout. Okay, we got a big candle coming in here. Stair step up. We're going to push this right here. Boom, boom. The trend is good. We had one good day. The rest got kicked down. Looks like a solid trend. We're going to keep going. Remember, the exclamations are affirming that there's a possible trend reversal. These arrows are just saying the trend is continuing. The trend is continuing. The trend might not continue, but it's not a real reversal signal yet. Okay, Let's keep going. Press play. There we go. What's the next one going to be? An update, but it's a step down, so we don't do anything. And a step down, we don't do anything. That's mostly sideways. Another step down, not doing anything. Step down, not doing anything. Step down, not doing anything. We don't want to participate in this market. Okay, now we got to step up, and it's in our direction. So our direction is right here with the arrow that says we're selling. Down pressure. This was all step downs until this one gave us down pressure arrow. Good. Okay, well, so we're okay. As of right now, it's almost a flush trade. Doesn't matter. We're still level even. Now it's popped up a little bit, but it's still, oh, there it is. There's a stair step down. Let's get that in there. Oop. Stair step down. Don't do anything. We're still out of this market. Okay, timeout. Stair step up. Okay, so put that there. Let's just grab these. We're not even thinking. We're just going to add those. Maybe it's time, right? Because the downtrend starting here, we got out in this signal that, hey, we're going to go down. We got a stair step up for the first time, and we got out or got in, then immediately got out. We've been out all of this, and now it's pushing higher. Look at this for a moment. From the time you got out, which was at 6,250, to the time you get in is 6,692. Yes, you're buying higher. That's okay. It's okay to buy higher or lower as long as you can confirm the trend. We will see. Okay, so it looks like it's now closed higher than everything else. Looks like it's really going. Let's press play and see how it plays out. We're in it. It's going the right direction with the stair step down. That's fine. Stair step down. That's fine. It's just sideways. Stair step up. Timeout with the uptrend. Love this. This is working out okay. All right, let's keep going. The next one is stair step up. Possibilities are looking good. Okay, press play. A little bit of a red day. We got sideways with a stair step down. No big deal. Stair step down. Stair step up, but with down pressure. Okay. Is this a top? You got to ask yourself, is this a top? Now, at this point, you might start bringing in your other indicators to try to help you make a decision. I'm not bringing in other indicators. I'm just going with stair steps, okay? We'll just see what this does, okay? It might be time to sell. Who knows? It could reverse on me and go higher. Look, it did with the stair step down. It's no big deal. Just waiting. Oh, another stair step down, but it's going higher. Now I'm getting nervous. Oh, now I'm getting real nervous. Stair step down. Don't do anything. Stair step down. Don't do anything. It's not getting too far away from me, but who knows? Oh, gosh. Timeout. Stair step up. And remember, right now we're just trading with this. We're not bringing in any other indicators, so we'll see how this does. We got out, traded a little sideways, then up. Boom, we got wrecked. Okay, timeout. I love this. This is awesome. Okay, here you go. And this is something I want to show you. Okay, so we have stair step up. We have to put that in on the chart. There you go. And is it twice as big as the previous one? You got to know that. Let's measure it out. Absolutely. That's pretty easy to see right there. The difference. This one's twice as big as this one. So you would put in an exclamation mark. Is it at the top? Yeah, probably right there. You want to get out. I wouldn't think that this would reverse higher. I think that might be the top. So that's a judgment call of which way you're going to put it. Is it going to be a red for a sell or a green exclamation for let's buy it? So we're going to stay out. We're going to get out. We're going to stay out. We're going to follow our stair steps and see what happens. See exactly what happens. Now, this could go against us. Who knows? Well, so far it's doing all right. Doing okay. Stair step down. Oh, timeout. I got all excited. Didn't put my stair step up right there. Okay. Pressing play. Here we go. See what this does. Maybe more sideways or more down. There it is. More down. Stair step down. It's okay. Another stair step down. That's fine. And boom. Stair step up. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Is this a reversal? Maybe. Who knows? Your other indicators might help you. But remember, this is pretty good. We're only trading based on stair step up, stair step down. And I'm using these arrows to indicate when we got in, when we got out. So real quick, let's just go over it. We were out, and our first buy was at the close of this one at 6,300 and let's just round numbers. 6,350. We go up to this one where we got out, which was 7,300, right? That's pretty good, actually. That's a nice little run. Then we get in right here at 7,700 and get out at 8,200. So that's two great trades, right? Then we get out. Then we get another chance to buy back in on this one. And we're out immediately with a $50 loss, right? Lost $50. But we wait, and then boom, we get in on this trade. It's 6,700. I'm just rounding it. And we get out on the close of this one, which is 6,900 and say 50. So there's a $250 win. We're out. And we get in right here at the top at 7,350. And we're out at 6,650. So what? $900? Ouch. That was a brutal candle. It's okay. You made more than that on these other trades. Now it's coming down, 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 and now you're looking at getting back in, and we're going to see. If you average this out and just paper trade it like this, and then actually put pen to paper and look at when you got in and when you got out, when you got in, when you got out, and then just keep doing that over and over again on all these trades, and then total it up at the end, you're going to come out a winner. Okay? Usually you will. And I love how volume is a precursor for a lot of things. And look, we didn't use any other indicators. We didn't use moving averages. We didn't use anything other than volume. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you is this is a OBV, on balance volume, with an EMA, right? I'm going to add that in. And I just wanted to show you how you could use this tool. I've got it cranked all the way down to 3, a 3-day moving average. If you want to see how that is, I'm going to show you in the settings. Show moving average 1. Yes, I changed this moving average length to 3. I believe it was at 13 when I first started, but I want it to move fast. So under style, this is a short, fast moving average. You can change any of the colors you want. You can have them be X's or squares or just a line, whatever. But I like the two different colors, red and blue. And I like a 3-day moving average. And I want to show you something just based on what we saw here today. Notice that when price action dipped down low, we were already being told that by these down pressure arrows. But then when we crossed below, we were now living below our candlesticks, right? At that point, that is telling you that the trend is pointing down now. So you want to be out, and you want to be out. Now, we thought we would get in right here, right? Because the up arrow with the stair step up, and then you notice that it's confirmed by this 3 moving average on your volume. It's the OBV EMA is telling you, hey, this is coming up hot, right? And then you got in, and then the next day it popped way up here. So it went from living below price action to now living above price action. And price action's up here, and it shoots way up here, right? This is okay to be in it when it's running up. But as soon as it starts to crest and come down, why, you could, put in your sell and maybe get in later. Now that we've added this in, it adds in another element to your volume trading that may help you better time tops and bottoms. So if you were to get out every time it switched, right, you'd probably do okay. So for example, you get in right here and it's running up, 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 up. And then the first time it turns red, you got a down tick turning red. What if you got out here instead of here? The difference between that is probably around $50. Yeah, plus or minus. A little more than that, actually. So say 334, 459. Yeah, 325. Just say 450. Oh man, you guys, you could make a lot more money. You could make a lot more money adding this into your trade using volume. Again, so you get out using this a day earlier, right? So then you would just like move that. Oh, there's your sell right there, right? And then this confirms it, right? This stair step up confirmed it, and then it sells off, and then boom, look at this. First day in, instead of getting in later, you could have got in on that day, right? When it first gave you the signal to get in, when it turned from red to blue. That's your buy. Now you're in the money. You're going. Now we got out over here at 8,211. But what if you got out instead over here on this day? Well, it would actually be a lower price, 8,168. So it may not have helped you out. But really, the trend started going down from, way up here. So you could have actually got out on this candle, maybe on the close right there. It's fine. It would have been a little bit, you would have got a little bit better profit, but not every trade is going to be like that. So you'll have to, for the most part, when you see things like this pop up and a pop up, you might be interested in buying that, right? Because this popped up higher and you had a stair step up. Everything kind of started to look good. You had another 2 days where it popped up even higher. Man, that's okay. Could have made a little bit of money there. Just want to show you too that if the OBV EMA is below price action, you for sure want to be out of it. If it starts creeping up above and living above it, it's going to act as, it's going to pull price up. So it's going to push it and pull price down, and then up here it's going to pull price up, and then it's going to switch and pull price down. Right here we got a quick switch. We got in right here. Let's use that to help us further along. Ready? Okay, we're going to keep going. We're in right here. We probably could have got in even lower right here, but that's fine. We'll see what happens. Downtrend with a stair step. We're going to get out. I'm going to do this. Pause. And it's okay. Don't be afraid. You're going to have losses in trading. You can't freak out. Okay, we're going to keep going. They've got a stair step down. Don't have to do anything on that one. Boom, stair step up. Okay. So we did get some lift, and then now it's confirmed. Okay, that's good. We're going to do that and stair step up. It's pushing. So price action bottomed, it pushed back down. Now it's pushing back up. This is okay. We might be on a nice U-shaped reversal here. We'll see. Not sure how this is going to play out. I just picked an arbitrary spot on Bitcoin on a chart I don't recognize so to do this. Stair step down, don't do anything. Stair step down, don't do anything. We're gaining a little bit, but not much. And now it's dumping down a little lower, about a flush trade right now. And now it's starting to sell. Okay, so there's our first stair step up. And look how, if I zoom it over here, bring out my Fibonacci tool, it is way more than twice as big. It's like, 2-3 times bigger than the one before. So we're for sure going to get out of here. We're going to take our loss. We're going to just say, I don't want to play here anymore. And remember, because it's twice as big, we're going to do an exclamation, right? We're going to do that as possible signal that, hey, this is not good. Okay, this is a big trend possibly going down. We'll see. All right, keep going. What I find interesting, what I find interesting is that using the OBV EMA, it's never said really to get into it, because otherwise it would have flipped to the upside above price action, but it never did. Now we're flipping above price action, but it's a stair step down. It could be a fake out. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll keep going. There it is. Okay, so it's coming in, right? We're going to do stair step up, and let's just buy it. See what it does. Price action is now living with the OBV EMA above the price action, right? See what it does. See if it continues, or we're in this period, this sideways action. Pause. I'm gonna note this real quick, that we're basically trading between these two channels, right? Right. So we're stuck between these two channels. We need a breakout above that, but we're in good position if we do get a breakout. Here it comes. Boom. Okay. So it's a stair step up. You guys know what to do. Add your little arrow. You can visually look at it and say, yes, things are looking good in our favor. We'll see what happens. All right, that's it for today, guys. God bless you. I hope that this trading tutorial using volume only will help you out. All right, God bless you. I'm out of here. See ya.